Okay, so let's say you're trying to post a reel, but you're having no time, you're running out of time, you're kind of busy, but you want to post something. You can actually schedule it for a later time in the day or really anytime you want. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule your reels on Instagram. So what you want to do is go to Instagram and just jump over to your profile. So what you want to do here is make sure that your profile is a professional account. It's free to do, it's real easy to do. So what you want to do is go to the three lines, go down to where it says, I'm already on a professional account, but you want to find the section where it actually says switch account type. And from here, you can switch to a personal or business account, and you want to be on a business account. So once you're there, go ahead and go to your homepage here and go to the plus sign at the very bottom. I'm just going to go over to Reels. And I'm just going to choose a picture here of my dog. Go ahead and hit next. Go ahead and hit next. Hit next again. And once you're here, right before you post it, what you can do is scroll down to where it says more options. And then you're going to see a toggle switch here for where it says schedule this reel. So you can turn that on and you can pick a time and day. So I'm just going to hit done here. And then that you saw it change here. It's scheduled for this day on this time. So what you can do is just hit the back button and then you would either hit next or save as draft, but you hit next and then that reel will automatically post when you scheduled it for that time or day, whatever you really wanted to do. So it's real easy to do, very simple. And that's how you would go about scheduling a reel on Instagram. Hope you guys liked the video and let us know in the comment section below if you have any questions, and we'll see you next time.